Hi, Dr. Wang here. Let's work together to construct a concept map on transcription and translation. When you are done, please export your CMap as a PDF file and submit it on Moodle. They are 10 terms, and I already have this on my CMap. So some of the terms are related to transcription and some of the terms are related to translation. So let's do a rough grouping. So we know transcription is a process from DNA to RNA, right? So we're basically transcribing the information in DNA molecule to form the single-stranded messenger RNA. So we know double-stranded DNA has 2 strands. So one of the strand is called the template strand and the other is called the coding strand. So the connection here would be is made of. From template strand to messenger RNA, this is a process called transcription. So here the connection would be is transcribed to, and also the 2 molecules here, the template strand and the messenger RNA, are reverse complementary to each other. So I'm going to say RC to indicate that these 2 are reverse complementary to each other. All right, so over here I can see here this is the tRNA, right? So we know tRNA on its one end carries the amino acid and on its other end carries the anticodon. So tRNA basically is an transfer RNA that has these 2 important features. So here I'm going to say carry. Amino acid is the building block of protein, right? So we can say that protein is made of, or protein is made of amino acid, right? Okay, and then we are left with codon and anticodon, right? So here we have a mini map that's related to translation, and over here we have a map that's related to transcription. So how do we connect the 2? So the connection is right here. So codon is part of the messenger RNA. So here, right, so contains. And another thing is that codon is actually also on the coding strand. So this is why it's called coding strand. As we have said earlier, that coding strand and messenger RNA are really very similar to each other. Coding strand has T, messenger RNA has uracil, but that's the only difference almost in sequence. So here contains, right? So codon exists either on the coding strand of the DNA or on the messenger RNA molecule. And codon and anticodon physically bind each other. So here, these 2 are reverse complementary to each other. So here, this connection basically is the basis for translation. So how this information flows from DNA through transcription to messenger RNA and then flows again to form protein. So transcription and translation. So what is CDS? CDS is coding sequence. So basically, coding sequence is made of codon. All right, so here is the concept map that summarizes the information that we have covered in transcription and translation.